eventually important about people you work with.
You really don't know anything about it.
We will only go as far as the rhythm's gonna take us. Kids, so wake up. We will only go as far as the rhythm's gonna take us. Kids, so wake up. We will only go as far as the rhythm's gonna take us. Kids, so wake up. We will only go as far as the rhythm's gonna take us. Kids, so wake up.
If you're trying to catch a free ride, you'll find yourself in knee-high quicksand, sinking down, stuck before you realize what's happening to the best of us. Acting like there never was a group of real people amongst the ones that just don't measure up. I can't adjust, cause most of the time I'm forced to. My life is like a game, but I don't waste it playing horseshoes. There's more to the day-to-day process than it. Running with an idea without stopping to catch my breath and step ahead. Done being nice and polite. Fuck putting a sense around my rhymes when I'm excited to write. It's all me, and how I feel is probably more real than most. Truth is, if you walked in my shoes, you'd be sore heeled to toe. Born to